I just took her name and made that bitch a LLC. Stuff a couple stacks up in there, bitch, get on your feet. You make twice as much if you switch it up just to see.
So I decided to do a get ready with me. I go to cosmetology school, so this is what I do to go to school. I'm sorry, some days I go to school without makeup, but the days that I do go to school, I do basically an everyday look. So I just added a pop of eyeliner today because, you know, I had the time, but I could wear a new lip, but I decided that I don't want to, you know, because, you know, I'm trying to eat breakfast. So hey you guys, so it's time to get ready. So this is like my daily routine. I just had time, you know, to do a little extra. So I'm just adding some glow to make my foundation, of course, have extra glow to it. And I'm just gonna blend that all out, making sure that it matches my neck. So I'm gonna set my lids because, you know, you put foundation on, any type of foundation, you have to set it with powder so that you don't have any creasing. So that's what I'm doing to prevent creasing. Now I'm adding my eyeliner. This was like the hardest part. I'm still not a master at doing eyeliner, so I try my best. This takes a lot of practice. So I'm adding my mascara to prep for my lashes. So I'm trying to line my lash line to fix it, and I was so mad, but I fixed it with some concealer, and I basically put some finishing powder on top of it to fix it. So now I'm highlighting. I'm putting concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And I'm blending that all out with a damp sponge. And then I'm going to set that with my setting powder from SHAPETAPE BUTTERCUP. And now I usually blend out under my eye before adding my setting powder to eliminate any creasing that might be there. So I'm just putting, well, everywhere I put my concealer. And now we're contouring my nose. I don't really do much to my nose because, in my opinion, my nose is not that prominent. So I just shape it out. So I got this new cream contour palette by Black Radiance, and this is my first time using it, so I actually like it. And I'm going over that with my powder contour palette. And I'm just setting under my contour to really make my cheeks pop. And I'm dusting away that powder. And I'm adding my finishing powder. And I'm just patting that on to really get that in there, opposed to dusting it on. When I tell you I love this brush, so I'm just deepening the hollow of my cheeks. And I'm just blending everything out with a blending brush. So I'm doing a quick flat iron on my hair. set my makeup, and of course my favorite highlighter. I love this highlighter. They have a new one actually. So I'm applying that to my nose, my cupid's bone, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my brow bone. Gotta have that extra glow. So I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm rocking this today, you know, because I'm gonna be in school, so. So this is the finished look, you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.